Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. Let's show this 2010 Dodge Ram 4500 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive 6.7 Cummins diesel. It's got 212,000 miles on it. This truck come out of California. It has no rust. It previously belonged to Cummins. It was one of their service trucks. It has a VMAC air compressor on it. It had a lube skid on it, and he took the tanks off, so it still basically just got the air compressor. It doesn't have any reels or anything, so if you wanted a hose reel and all that stuff, you have to put those on there. I'm gonna walk around and show it to you. Radio works, AC's working. $212 on the mileage. You got an outlet there. That's where the air hoses were plumbed in right here. We were going to cover these holes up, but I decided not to in case somebody wants to run air hoses or whatever. If you don't, get you a piece of metal and weld over that. Bed up, and that does slide up, as you can see. If you wanted to have it opened up, excuse me. Vise on the back. Little backup camera here, I think. So, yep, looks like it's crooked. All right, so if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, I can ship this truck straight to your door. You're going to be looking probably around $1.50 a mile right now. We're a dispatcher, so what we'll do is post it on our dispatch board, and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, we want to pick this truck up. You got going to Texas or Connecticut or Kansas or wherever you're at. We don't have someone just sitting here on the ready waiting to leave as soon as you wire the money. So if you got to know exactly the exact second it's going to roll out of here, you got to come get it yourself. you're welcome to do that. We're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. We can't accept a regular check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified check. With all that said, it's pretty nice, or it is a nice truck. Like I said, I've got 7 or 8 of these things right now, so we're working on getting a couple more of them online. The 08 to 10 Dodge Ram 5500s, for me, in my opinion, are some of the best ones to have. They don't use DEF fluid. I just like them. They don't ever have a check engine light on in them. I mean, it's just they just run good. Like I said, the best thing is they don't have DEF on them. Which any Dodge is going to be a good truck, but I just particularly like the 08 to 10 models myself, for what it's worth, which may not be worth nothing to some people. But anyways, if you're interested, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Again, it's a 2010 two-wheel drive, 6.7, 11-foot bed, one owner, Western California truck. Runs out and drives good. Everything on it works like it should. Give me a call. Thanks for watching.